Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert number to word in Google Sheets. So get ready started. At first, open your document. Firstly, in this video, I will show that convert word number to word. Now, then show the number. This number from the firstly we are installed in the number text tabs. Now going to the extension option. Now click with the add ons option, then click with the get add-ons option, then click for the search bar option, then type from the number text, then show the number text. Now for click, then click with the number text. Now for click, then install from the number text. Now click for the allow option. Then click on the done option. Now close from the, then show the number and convert from the word. Firstly, select from the side number. Now keyboard press from the equal number text from the type. Now show the, now for select, then select from the number and first bracket close, then keyboard press from the enter, then from the loading, that's it. Then show the number text, that's it. Then I show the convert number text number to word in Google Sheets is very easily. Then again another word. Now for type, then keyboard press from the equal number text. Now select from the number, then first bracket close, then keyboard press from the enter, then from the loading, that's it. Then show the number to word is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.